What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Kyle Steffens here. Today is December 3rd, I believe, and we are headed to the shop to do some dome preparations. We got Joe on the tire machine today working on some stuff. We got to leave for PRI in the next, we gotta leave on Tuesday. So I got about a day and a half left until we gotta leave. So today, I just kind of want to take you on board. I want to show you what's going on in the shop. I want to show you, I'm gonna do a little bit of a trailer clean, some time-lapse stuff. Sorry about the buzzer here with my seatbelt, but yeah, anyways, just want to keep you all updated on what's going on. All right, so we're leaving Tuesday for the PRI show, and as soon as we get back on Monday, we have to load in on Wednesday for the dome. So just want to keep you filled in. I'm gonna shoot a little bit of video today and just keeping you all posted. All right, guys, have a good Sunday and enjoy the rest of the video. Thanks a bunch.
Quick, but the other one's easier.
Joe's working on cutting some tires for the dome. We can't show you any more cuts because this is all secret shit here. So sorry, buddy. Sorry. All right, so we are in process of letting the glow plug warm up here on the rig, and then we're gonna fire the truck. I try to fire the diesel motor, once a month or so and let it run for 25-30 minutes just to keep things in sync on the off season, because these rigs, they're not designed to sit. So we're doing that, and we're gonna pull it forward, and we're going to get the gate down, and I'm gonna get the rugs and all that stuff out, get stuff cleaned up. That way when I come back from PRI, I don't have to do it. The weather's good today, so I'm just taking advantage of that. All right, so we got the door open, truck fired up, gates open. We know all that stuff works, so that's always a good thing because you never know what you're gonna get with these lift gates. And the last thing I want before Wednesday for loading the dome is to have a lift gate malfunction. So right now we've got the door opened up. Sadly, the last race was IRP, and there's still a lot of Silver Crown stuff in here, a lot of mess in here. Emily's here helping me out. We got the boys here today too, so we're gonna get these rugs out, get things cleaned up, get things put back in the fridge, get the Silver Crown stuff out, get the modified tires prepared. That way everything's ready to go by the time we get back. Good job, Reese. Earning that money. Earning that go-kart ride. All right, so what we got the floors, got the mats swept. The walls are getting waxed and cleaned. The refrigerator has been filled up with the goodies, so we don't need a cooler. Plenty of Mountain Dew in there for Bill, baby. Bill, I know you're watching. Riker's getting his wax on right now. And Reese is the head cleaner. Doing a good job.
Emily's assistant.
Emily is assisting. Yep. Emily is the merchandise manager. So, getting better.
Oh, and I'm also the artist.
Yes.
You want to time lapse doing a whole tire?
Are you gonna do one? Yeah. All right, right now we're got it, mats down, everything's kind of cleaned back up. Joe's outside doing tires. I found my shock cabinet was a disaster, so kind of reorganizing that. I got all my modified shocks in there now. All my Sprint Car Silver Crown midget stuff's inside the shop. Got a whole box full of stuff, kind of embarrassing, but man, rolling down the road, dude, things get to be messy. So I spent most of the day just kind of cleaning up, organizing and getting things back in order. All right, guys, that's it. That's the take on today. We got the trailer cleaned up. Joe got tires done. I'll put some time lapses in there for you guys to see that on how we kind of do that. Don't look too close. Mats are done, floor's done, shock rack's done, cabinets are cleaned up. Everything should be pretty good. So by the time we get back from PRI, we ought to be ready to load the modified and pull into the dome on Wednesday. So that'll be my next video for you guys. Actually, my next video will probably be PRI, our booth build. So stay tuned to that. I'm just trying to show you guys that there's more to just racing on the track. It takes a lot to get these teams up and down the road. Like you can see, our canopy's got to get fixed. I've been working on that, waiting on a friend to help us with that, making sure our trucks are ready to go, because these are basically our workshops up and down the road. If you don't have this thing dialed in, it could be bad. Yeah, so we've had a few times this summer where we've had tire failures and stuff like that, and some stuff you can't control, but you got to stay on top of it. So either way, please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. That way you know when I put new videos up. Appreciate it, guys. Stay tuned for the next one. Thanks.